Never have I ever checked my partner's phone secretly.
I believe in karma. No. Crime master go என்னோட பேரு. கண்ணெடுத்து You said goat.
now goat. इंडिया में आईपीएल का फीवर चल रहा है, तो सोचा क्यों ना हम भी संडे ब्रंच लीक कर ले एक जबरदस्त फूड बैटल. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch, I have two super fun guests. Vidya Balan representing the south of India and Prateek Gandhi representing the west of India, Gujarat. तो देखते हैं आज के SBL यानी संडे ब्रंच लीग में कौन जीतता है. Is it the idli mendu vada combo or the classic jalebi fafda duo? Let's find out. Hello Vidya and Prateek, welcome back to Curly Tales.
Thank you.
आप दोनों आ चुके हैं पर अलग-अलग and I'm very excited. Today a South Indian and Gujarati duo coming together on the show. तो पहले तो बताओ आप दोनों में सबसे बड़ा फूडी कौन है?
दोनों actually.
There are some things I enjoy.
Yeah.
Like khandvi which you would get from a store in Kandivli.
Yeah.
पहली बार जब हम मिले रीडिंग हो रही थी हमारी and he got some khandvi, some dhokla and some patra. And I love khandvi. I saw that khandvi और अभी भी मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. मैं इतनी खुश हो गई तभी से हमारी दोस्ती हो गई.
What about you? What South Indian food do you like?
Rasam is something that I can have in any season.
And I don't like rasam.
Yeah.
Huh? I don't like
Sambar.
rasam. I don't like pani puri. Anything that has water like that, no?
It has to be thick, basically.
Yeah.
If you can bust 3 myths about South Indian food that most people have.
That it's very spicy.
Okay.
Not all South Indian food is spicy. There are different kinds of South Indian food. Like the place I come from.
Yeah.
I was of course born and brought up in Mumbai.
Yeah.
But I come from a place called Palakkad, which is on the border of Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
Right.
So we're Tamilians from Kerala.
Oh, okay.
Our food has a lot of coconut. But it's not at all spicy. It's just the healthiest, a lot of steamed food.
That's there, yeah.
Yeah.
Most of the South Indian food is
South
steamed
Indian
food.
food is steamed. We hardly use any oil except for the tadka maybe.
Yeah.
And all our desserts are jaggery based. So coconut and
sugar.
jaggery. No, so it's very healthy.
3 myths about Gujarati food. सब कुछ बहुत मीठा होता है.
हाँ वो वैसा नहीं है एक्चुअली.
नहीं ऐसा?
नहीं, सब कुछ मीठा नहीं होता
वही
है.
तो ये myth है.
दाल भी मीठी ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बार मीठी होती है. That is a style of making dal. That's it. One of the styles of making dal.
But I have to tell you, there's a Gujarati sweet called adhadyo.
अड़दिया पाक. हाँ अड़दिया.
That is not sweet at all and it's supposed to be a sweet. I'd gone to my closest friend's house growing
Yeah.
up and they're Jains.
Yeah.
And she said, oh, you know, अभी ये भावनगर से आया है. I said, अच्छा. And the two
So
sisters
अड़दिया पाक is
didn't
mostly
like.
consumed during winters.
Yeah, but I
It was
had
like
a
the
bite.
winter food. Yeah.
And it was kadwa.
वो तो आपने मेथी पाक खाया होगा यार. अड़दिया पाक नहीं मेथी का. वो मेथी का
kadwa
बनाते हैं.
मतलब it wasn't sweet.
Yeah, okay,
Let's just leave it at that.
चलो it's a good start. आज का हमारा यही इंटेंशन है. हम गुजराती फूड वर्सेस साउथ इंडियन
Yay!
फूड करने वाले हैं.
और जैसे इन्होंने बताया ना कि नॉट ऑल साउथ इंडियन फूड टेस्ट सेम. वैसे गुजरात वैसे इफ यू सी द रीजन
Yeah.
बहुत बड़ा राज्य है.
हाँ.
तो साउथ गुजरात है, सेंट्रल गुजरात है, देन काठियावाड़ एक पूरा अलग जगह है, एंड कच्छ इज अनदर. तो इन सबका खाने का स्टाइल जो टेस्ट है ना वो बहुत
बहुत
अलग है.
अलग.
काठियावाड़ी फूड दे यूज लॉट ऑफ लाल मिर्ची पाउडर.
That is spicy.
That's
Kathiawadi
spicy.
food is very spicy.
सूरत
Right.
जहाँ से मैं आता हूँ तो वहाँ ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होते हैं और वो
पर
थोड़ा
सुनो
मीठा
ना,
होता है.
सूरत की भाकरवड़ी.
वो आया बड़ौदा की.
बड़ौदा की.
Yeah.
बड़ौदा की. Oh my God. I love it.
तो
गुजराती इसको लग रहा होगा मैं उनका स्पोक्स पर्सन
I know.
बट
Listen, you
यार
have
दिस इज
to.
व्हाट आई डू यार.
I'm telling you, यहाँ पे बहुत एक जंग लड़ने वाली है comment section में. So you guys are the representatives of Gujarat
Yeah, why
and
not,
Tamil
yeah,
Nadu और
मतलब.
Kerala.
Yes,
तो
absolutely.
अगर विद्या एक दिन के लिए सूरत आए,
एक दिन के लिए सूरत नहीं जा सकते आप. स्पेशली इफ यू विजिट सूरत
Yeah.
फॉर फूड you need at least minimum 5 days.
My neighbor in Chembur used to visit Surat very often and he used to get back these yummy peanut chikkis. They were melt in the mouth. Normally when you think chikki, you think
Yeah.
slightly harder
Yeah,
consistency.
yeah.
but you'd put this in the mouth and कहाँ गया पता ही नहीं चलता. And he used to get yummy ice cream also from Surat.
सूरत में
Yeah.
आइसक्रीम में भी बहुत इनोवेशन किया है.
गुजराती फूड में बहुत इनोवेशन
Yeah,
होता
yeah.
है.
So Gujarat is high.
Gujarati.
No, so I keep saying Gujarat is high on food.
Yeah.
It's a dry state, yeah.
True.
Dry state,
Yeah,
but
we are high on food.
अच्छा चलो चेंबूर आए अगर प्रतीक एक दिन के लिए, where all will you take him?
I would take him to Gupta Bhelpuri.
Okay.
I love
Because
Bhelpuri, yeah.
yeah, Bhelpuri, and that is iconic. Raj Kapoor, the legendary Raj Kapoor, used to go and eat Bhelpuri, Sev Puri, Ragda Pat is there, and I haven't been there in 25 years, but it used to be yum.
Wow.
Yeah, you have to just और वहाँ का जो थोड़ा बहुत वो कच्चा भी डाल देते थे उसमें, पर उसका जो
तो कल से 3 दिन में वैसे ही एसएल स्टूडियो में शूट कर रहा हूँ. I
नहीं,
think.
बिकॉज इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू चेंबूर स्टेशन, तो न जाने कौन से पानी में वो प्लेट धोते हैं ऑन दैट, बट आई स्टिल
Oh.
रिमेंबर दैट वेटर्स फेस, द टेस्ट.
ये उसका मिला जुला टेस्ट है which is working.
देन झामा's गुलाब जामुन्स a must try.
Yes.
झामा चेंबूर जाओ और झामा ना जाओ ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. एंड द थर्ड इज चेंबूर पोस्ट ऑफिस के बाहर जो वड़ा पाव का स्टॉल लगता है, वड़ा पाव एंड मूंग दाल भजिया.
Oh.
यार क्या किया
आज बैक टू बैक हम ये खाने की बात इतनी
खाने की बात ही कर रहे हैं.
डोंट वरी, आज हम खाएंगे भी.
हाँ.
शुरुआत करते हैं नारियल पानी से.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो आपको तो एक्सपीरियंस होगा या नहीं पता नहीं, पर आपको दोनों को कोकोनट वाटर ग्लास में डालना है बिना स्पिल किए.
Come on, bring it on.
Oh.
चलो लेट्स डू दिस. One second, we have to record.
And I won. Without playing, I won.
Did you think you could take it?
मुझे ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि गेम खेलने से पहले जीत गया मैं.
मैं काउंटडाउन दूंगी. रुको.
अच्छा. You can't hold it beforehand.
अरे पर इसको तो पकड़ना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, see me.
बिना पानी गिराए. ओके, 3, 2, 1 गो. इसमें ज्यादा पानी. ओह माय गॉड, ये तो पूरा नॉट बैड. तो पानी किसका ज्यादा गिरा है? विद्या.
Are you serious?
Yes.
पर यहाँ डालते वक्त तो गिरा ही नहीं.
Plate
नहीं.
पर.
Cheers to my win.
Cheers. I let you have these small wins.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. So while you guys enjoy this nariyal pani,
Yeah.
I have some Gujarati food dishes and South Indian food dishes. It's like a heads up, Gujarati and South Indian. Who
So
will go
now
first?
I'll show it to him and he'll
Yes.
describe it.
Yes. You can talk.
Dosa.
You can talk.
डोसा के भाई जैसा ही होता है.
भाई जैसा.
Chappa.
हाँ.
अरे वाह.
Your chance now.
वड़ा.
गोल होता है.
गोल होता है वड़ा. मेथी का वड़ा. मेथी का वड़ा. मेथी का.
बहुत अजीब वर्ड है पर आई गेस.
मेथी ना मुठिया.
गोटा.
मेथी ना गोटा.
You get half a point.
क्या है भाई, we all call food गोटा.
वो गोल होता है ना.
हाँ.
और इसके अलावा मैं क्या कर भी क्या सकती
नहीं बराबर है. मैंने अभी कहा ना मेरी फेवरेट चीज.
इडली, डोसा, वड़ा, रसम.
हाँ.
2 points. You get half a point.
ये क्या है?
स्लीव्स. हैंड.
ये, हाँ.
हाथ.
हाँ नहीं.
हैंड.
Yeah.
हांडवो. हांडवो is my favorite Gujarati dish.
But it looks like a pizza, no?
Yeah, you can make it this way also. और
अच्छा.
केक की तरह जो बड़े इसमें बनता है ना,
हाँ.
जो इसमें पूरा घर पे जो
हमको
केक
कैसे
बनाते हैं.
पता होगा, कभी खिलाया ही नहीं.
Oh, is it? कभी लेकर नहीं
ये
आए?
भूल गए हैं. हांडवो खाया है इन्होंने.
हांडवो नहीं खाया.
अरे आपने घर का हांडवो खाया है.
ओ घर का. अच्छा.
अच्छा, आप लोग टिफिन घर से लाते थे या?
हाँ, घर से लाते थे. First day I met him.
No.
He
you
got
didn't
me
tell me.
khandvi.
Ah, right.
As in he
yeah,
got
हाँ.
all of us khandvi, but I thought it was only for me. I love
उसमें 3-4
khandvi.
चीजें थी. ढोकला था, पात्रा था.
अच्छा.
बाकी सब लगाया. खांडवी का डब्बा गायब था उधर से. मैंने पूछा कि वो भी लाए. हाँ, वो विद्या मैडम को अंदर दिया. तो ये सब नहीं देना, उनको सिर्फ यही चाहिए.
और पूरा खत्म कर दिया. किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं किया.
And every year he sends Gujarati food home. Once around Makar Sankranti,
मकर
na?
संक्रांति ऊंधियों का सीजन.
Yeah.
So who cooks at home usually?
My mother cooks
Okay.
very well surti,
Yeah.
and my wife also cooks
Okay.
very good. But she is Marwadi, so she cooks a lot of Marwadi dishes.
Okay.
Like dal bati is
हाँ.
her best and my favorite. So
अभी बोलना ही पड़ेगा.
मैंने इक्वल पॉइंट बोला, एक मम्मी का एक उसका, so I'm safe.
Lot of balancing
I'm
has
trying
to
to
be
get
done.
you into trouble.
It's been 16 years, the troubles are done.
Done? Are you sure?
Yeah.
We'll discuss that. आपकी
हाँ.
movies भी है about marital troubles जो
Yes.
कितने सालों बाद आते हैं. We'll discuss. But let's finish the game.
Who next?
You. I think it is one of your favorite dishes, by the way.
शीरा होता है ना,
हाँ.
वैसे उस टाइप का है ये.
South Indian
हाँ.
केसरी.
हाँ.
हाँ.
क्या
और fruit के साथ.
के साथ होता है.
Pineapple केसरी.
Correct.
जलेबी.
हाँ.
Yes.
फाफड़ा जलेबी.
Yeah.
तो दूसरा मिथ ये है कि हर
हाँ.
एक गुजराती रोज सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे
जलेबी फाफड़ा
जलेबी फाफड़ा और ढोकला नहीं खाता है. टीवी पे वो दिखा देता
हाँ.
ना, गुजराती हाउस होल्ड है तो
Yeah.
कैमरा पुल करेगा और ढोकला रखा हुआ है, एंड देन दे स्टार्ट टॉकिंग. अरे ऐसा हर रोज नहीं
ढोकला
करता,
नहीं खाते हैं.
रोज थोड़ी खाते हैं.
जैसे इडली रोज होता है क्या ब्रेकफास्ट में?
मेरा बस चले तो मैं इडली रोज खाऊं.
Same
In fact,
actually.
Gujaratis also eat almost idli every day.
Okay, next.
ये तो फेस्टिवल भी है ना.
Yeah?
हाँ,
Yeah.
ये डिश का नाम भी है और फेस्टिवल भी है.
Festival भी है.
Pongal.
Yeah.
Yes.
लीजिए. लो.
हाँ.
लोचा.
हाँ.
Yeah, लोचो.
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 You
सुरती.
want one
It's a
more?
सुरती डिश.
Oh, अच्छा.
There's a twist.
ये जो मैं पहले दिन शूट पे आया था और जो लाया था,
हाँ.
उसमें से एक चीज है ये.
खांडवी पात्रा. अच्छा.
Well done.
I love patra also.
Yeah.
As a Maharashtrian. My name.
क्या? बा. ला. बा.
Hmm.
बा. लू. बा.
बा.
बाल. अरे सुनो.
हाँ.
बासुंदी.
Yes.
कहाँ से कहाँ
I
लेके
know.
जाता है? ये तो मेरा गैसिंग गेम अप है, इसलिए बच गए आप.
I know मेरा नाम. फिर उसके
मतलब
बाद
कहाँ
सोच.
से?
कुछ बासुंदी के लिए I was thinking I'll do बास.
हाँ.
But food के बारे में I didn't want to do बास.
This I love. Have you ever had?
Yeah, but I'm just finding it difficult to explain.
No. मैं ट्राई करूँ.
हाँ हाँ
खिचड़ी जैसा होता है.
हाँ, खिचड़ी जैसे.
सेकेंड वर्ड जो है ना वो कैट. कैट को आप हिंदी में बोलोगे तो क्या होगा?
बिल्ली.
डैश बिल्ली डैश.
बिस्सी बे. बिल्ली नहीं, बिस्सी बेले.
Similar sounding, just to
Okay,
get you
okay.
there.
बिस्सी बेले बात. I love बिस्सी बेले बात.
Yeah.
Again, it comes from Karnataka.
Oh, okay.
It's actually a form of sambar rice, as in
Right.
it's more than khichdi. It's almost like sambar rice.
but I love it too.
Yeah.
अरे.
Oh.
थेपला.
Yeah.
ये जैसे रिएक्ट किया ना आपने, मोस्ट कॉमन थेपला.
देखो हेल्प कर दिया मैंने.
Yeah.
Just with reaction.
हाँ मतलब. ओ ये वो ही इडली का एक जो भाई है जो
भाई
हर बार
है.
उसके साथ होता ही है.
Dosa.
बड़ा भाई.
बड़ा.
हाँ छोटा भाई.
You guys did very well.
I won it. Thank you. Thank you.
Both of you did really well. So now it's time for us to treat y'all to an amazing South Indian and Gujarati food. So we are at Madras Diaries, जहाँ मिलता है South Indian food, और हम गुजराती food लाए हैं इमली से, which is Curry Tales restaurant.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Yeah, and we've got Gujju Bain, you know Gujju Bain, who's very, very popular with her Gujarati dishes.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
starting her menu at Imli. So
Wow.
we're going to have some Gujarati dishes as well.
Lovely.
Okay, so let's
Lovely.
begin the Sunday brunch. तो आज हम सारा कुछ ही लेकर आ गए.
Sorry, मैं
क्या हुआ?
खाने लग गई.
That's the idea. आप खाएंगे बिंदास. So South Indian as well as Gujarati food, rice pongal, pineapple kesari, chettinad mushroom, malabari parotha, mini idlis, rava dosa, masala uttappa, mendu vada, rasam shots, Mysore masala dosa. And for Gujarati, of course, we have thepla. It's the summer season. We've got the amras, jalebi, fafda, dhokla, khandvi, and patra.
Whoa.
Yum.
So you like khandvi, no?
I love khandvi. I will eat that in a bit.
Yeah.
But first, true to my roots,
Yes.
I will have something called purikyachal,
Yes.
which is a tamarind chutney, which they've specially made for me.
Right. Yes. Please
So
go
I'm going to
ahead.
start with
Cheers.
this.
You like it?
I can't talk. You talk.
Okay, I'll
Sorry.
have thepla. I love theplas.
With amras.
Yeah, thepla with amras. And please have the patra. and have the jalebi.
मुझे लग रहा है मुझे ही खाना पड़ेगा सब कुछ. Looking at how much dieting you guys are doing.
I have some food intolerances, so I have to be very careful. If I could, I swear I would eat everything on this table right now.
But that's one of the things for actors, no? One very big sacrifice is you have to think about what you're eating and all of that, right?
Everyone's quite particular about keeping fit, so
Yeah.
even about exercise and things like that. But yes, our lifestyles are also quite
Like
terrible.
12 hours of shoot schedule
Yeah.
plus travel.
Yeah.
So you end up working for almost 15-18 hours.
Right.
And most of the time during the shoot, we hardly get to sleep.
Yeah.
So if you're sleeping for almost 5 hours, 5.5 hours,
Yeah.
then there are a lot of things that you should not eat.
Yeah.
Also,
Otherwise, it creates a lot of acid.
no, but we're also talking about actors who work like that. There are actors who work in a more relaxed fashion also. These actors, they're doing so many things at the same time.
Yeah.
Touch wood, but he's the busiest actor I know.
Yeah.
And but
मतलब
I
बॉलीवुड
don't
टेक
think-
ओवर कर लिया है इन्होंने.
Yeah,
शुरू
really.
किया है कि क्या स्कैम चला रहे हो
हाँ,
आप.
exactly.
All the actors are out of job now. मतलब.
no, but I think it's because of the lifestyles we
Yeah.
lead, because of the stress, because of the pressures, because we're putting ourselves out there all the time. Food plays a big role in even the way we feel about ourselves.
Yeah.
So I think that's something that I've realized over time.
Yeah, and most of the time for the character, then there are a lot of physical changes that we have to do.
Yeah.
To look that particular character, sometimes you have to gain weight, sometimes you have to gain muscles,
Yeah.
sometimes you have to look malnourished
Yeah.
or underweight.
वो
The
हमसे
body
ना
constantly,
होगा।
हाँ, body constantly.
वो हमसे ना होगा भाई।
नहीं पर ये जो मूवी आपने की थी जिसमें you had to put on weight, right?
हाँ, dirty picture.
Dirty
That's
picture के
easy.
लिए. That's easy. Like even for Harshad Mehta, you put on so much weight. I remember meeting you at
Yeah.
that point of time to meeting now when you're I think filming for Gandhi. और बीच में हुआ ये दो और दो प्यार. I saw the trailer.
Yeah.
It looks like so much fun. I mean, I've missed watching such movies to be honest.
Oh, I'm so glad you say that because I've missed watching such films myself as an
Yeah.
audience.
Yeah.
And then, of course, as an actor, I think my last rom-com was in 2014, Shaadi Ke Side Effects.
Almost 10 years
Yeah,
ago.
Yeah,
and
10
I've
years.
barely been offered any rom-coms in these past 10 years and I've not seen any either. So
But there are
this is-
hardly any rom-coms
Yeah.
made.
Yeah.
And ये ऐसा genre है जो सबको बहुत पसंद है.
And rom-coms give you the scope to have so many lovely songs, yeah.
Yeah, and I love the Lucky Ali song.
Yeah, Tu Hai
He's doing
Kahan.
it after like how many years in Bollywood, I think?
After
About
9 years, I believe.
It's a beautiful song.
And just his voice. na,
Yeah.
मतलब the way he starts the song, you're bound to fall in love. ऐसा.
Yeah.
When I saw the trailer,
Yeah.
the pairing for me was like Pratik and Vidya together. I want to know what was your reaction, Pratik, when you got to know you're doing a rom-com with Vidya Balan.
I almost jumped out of my seat. Is it really? And then when I went for the narration, and story is brilliant.
Yeah.
It has unique situations between
Yeah.
couples, which
Yeah.
I had never seen,
On
never
screen,
read
yeah.
about on screen.
Yeah.
So I guess this was it. This I wanted to do, and this was the genre that I loved the most. But I never could. I mean, I had never
Yeah.
had an opportunity to work.
Yeah. आपका क्या reaction था? आपने scam देखा था?
Scam dekha tha, and soon after that they came and told me that, we've spoken to Pratik for this, and I was like, that guy would be interested in something like this because he was superb
Yeah.
actor. I
Yeah.
loved him in Scam. Of course, now people have seen Madgaon, but I kept thinking that, oh my God, when people watch this film, they'll see his range, because he's so funny in this film. But of course, people have already gotten introduced to his funny bone in Madgaon, and now hopefully they'll see yet another.
Which was so
Installment.
unexpected. Even Madgaon was very funny, by the way. Very good movie. And that's the thing. OTT के आने के बाद ना सब एकदम intellectual, serious kind of cinema. That's like really become mainstream.
Yeah.
Really missed watching
पर
such
मुझे
movies.
लगता है OTT का सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये हुआ, ऑडियंस ने अपना पावर प्रूव कर दिया. We suddenly found audience for every kind of content.
No, for sure. There's no doubt about that. But, I feel, Pratik, with no disrespect meant to anyone, everything's become dark.
That is one
Everything has
part.
become
Yeah.
intense. Everything is a thriller. There's not, like, I watched a lovely show called Colin from Accounts. It's about a dog that brings two people together. It's so refreshing and it made me so happy. Siddharth and I sat and watched it together. And I feel like Do Aur Do Pyar is also that kind of
Yeah,
thing
yeah,
that,
yeah.
couples will enjoy watching together.
Yeah.
Otherwise, sometimes he's watching stuff and I'm saying, yaar, what is this maar dhaad? And they show all sorts of किसी की आँख चली गई है, मतलब क्या ugly stuff.
आँख में बंदूक डाल रहे हैं and all.
It's ugly. I don't want to see
that,
all
that's
that.
become bit too much to
Yeah.
even watch.
Yeah.
पर दो प्यार जैसी फिल्मों में होता क्या है, मुझे लगता है there is a constant hope in the film,
Yeah.
in the feel. There is a feel good factor.
Feel good, मैं तो कंफ्यूज हूँ कौन किस पे चीट कर रहा है, मतलब ये क्या कपल
वही
है.
मैं उसी का है कि वो
है.
फील गुड फैक्टर ऐसा है कि ये सब होने के बावजूद भी there is constant love. that you
I
see.
have to tell you, y'all are the real cheaters. Because
No.
y'all have not been eating. I'm the only one who's ठूस के
नहीं we've
हाँ,
been
sincerely
eating.
मैं खा रही हूँ.
नहीं मैं भी खा रही हूँ. ये देखो सबसे ज्यादा कैलोरीज वाला मैं खा रही हूँ, थेपला विद
मैं
आमरस.
एक्चुअली कंफ्यूज हो गया कि शुरुआत कहाँ से करूँ, उसके चलते मैंने सिर्फ ये एक पीस खाया एंड दैट्स इट.
यही होता है चीटर्स के साथ. मैं आपको बता दूं कि आप खुद चीट करते हो और दूसरों को एहसास दिलाते हैं कि वो चीट कर रहे हैं. ये मेरी खासियत है.
So you guys are playing a couple and you both have a respective boyfriend and girlfriend.
Yeah. हाँ? What?
No, मतलब you have a boyfriend and he has a girlfriend.
Really?
नहीं ट्रेलर में तो ऐसा लग रहा है.
वो अच्छा फिल्म की बात कर रहे हैं. मैं भावुक हो गई.
फिल्म की बात कर रही हूँ. मेरे पास इतनी इनसाइडर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है.
उसके लिए तो इनका बोला काश.
ये इसलिए
काश.
उसके लिए हमें टेबल पे ख्याली पुलाव की जरूरत पड़ेगी.
जो ये खाएंगी नहीं.
I know, सिर्फ देखेंगे.
You know, it's very relatable, Kamya. It's what is happening a lot today, right? Like there's distance growing between us because we're constantly with our gadgets or we're too busy with our lives, with our careers. We're constantly looking for the next best thing. Despite however evolved we are or however successful we are, everyone's need is for love.
And do you think after like few years of marriage, that kind of spark, that attention, that affection sometimes is missing, and that's when, you know, couples are actually going out looking for love?
We stop making the effort, we take each other for granted, no?
Yeah.
There's a constant communication gap. Most of the time we think that he knows or she knows.
Yeah.
So you stop communicating the most common unwanted things also. But if that is leading to a complete communication gap, then there's an issue.
But do you think then there is still some sense of comfort in a marriage कि यार divorce तक नहीं जाते हैं, but we'll just cheat? Is that common these days? Just want to know what are your thoughts.
I don't know whether it's common or no, but I guess that's where people find comfortable. You know, that's what
Yeah.
people find
But I have to
comfortable.
tell you, I don't know if I shared this with you. I actually spoke to someone who is in a marriage, who has a kid, and has been in a relationship with someone else for about 6 to 8 years or something like that. I don't remember very clearly now. And I was like, aren't you assailed by guilt? Isn't there the fear of being found out?
Yeah.
And don't you want to like be with this person? And she said, no, I've got the best of both worlds. She said, I have the security blanket with my husband.
Yeah.
We have a family, we are a unit. And this guy is there for me as a woman. He treats me like I want to be treated as a woman, which my husband now,
Doesn't, right? Yeah. it
because
doesn't-
he treats me as a wife and as
Yeah.
As a mother to my
mother.
kid, yeah.
I'm quite, I think, unidimensional in that sense. For me, it's either this or that.
Yeah.
So I was like, how do you not feel torn?
But very difficult, no? Something like this, that you are not able to make up your mind whether to
Yeah.
go here or there.
No, I
And you
think
want to
she's
go
very
both ways.
clear.
That you
She's
want to go
She's very
How it
clear.
will
This
be.
is what. So she doesn't want one stepping into the other life of
Wow.
hers.
Yeah, see, because also there's a child, right?
Yeah.
And the child is attached to the father. So I guess a lot of complications there.
It is very
with people.
complicated, yeah. Very
Yeah.
complicated.
And she's saying my family will never accept something like this. So there's also that angle. And she says, my unit is a steady, strong unit.
There are a lot of people who are like in an open relationship where both the husband and wife know that you guys can step out of the boundaries and have a relationship of your own. Have you all come across such instances as well?
No, I haven't. I haven't. And मेरे समझ के बाहर है. There's no judgment.
Yeah.
But when I think that, oh my God, I can't, the thought of it makes me shudder.
Yeah.
Like, I can't imagine Siddharth or me being in a situation like that. Touch wood, touch wood,
Yeah,
touch wood.
yeah.
I'm like,
It's
no.
beyond understanding.
Yeah.
And I can't understand this.
Chalo, you will not be open, but tell me, if somebody is in a marriage for good 10, how many years are you all married in the film?
12 years.
12.
12 years. I'm saying say 12 to 14 years, you're in a marriage and then somehow there is some sort of boredom, if not physically, mentally you're probably attracted towards someone else. Is that natural to happen?
You may get attracted to somebody because of the knowledge,
Hmm.
because of what they do,
Shared interests.
shared interest,
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
So, but then these kind of things will always have a boundary.
कभी हो जाता है तो फिर is it okay to then forgive and move on? I'm now talking to our audiences who may be in this situation, and it's not
Yeah,
a
maybe,
completely unknown
It is
situation,
not,
right?
this is very common,
this is
maybe
common,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
But for me to forgive something like that would be, I'm like, if you're, agar, sorry, I can't say, I was about to say GMD. Sorry. नहीं जिगरा है
हाँ.
तो आप करो, मुझे
अच्छा.
उतनी हिम्मत नहीं है.
अच्छा चलो बताओ. So what is the secret of a strong, healthy, happy marriage? Both of you are happily married, touch wood.
Touch wood.
You can't avoid differences.
No,
No,
वो तो
difference.
होंगे और ऐसा नहीं है कि हर सुबह उठकर it's a romantic morning.
not at all.
Because if
You
my
know?
wife or
Yeah.
my partner is absolutely like me,
Hmm.
we can't stand each other.
Yeah.
Healthy relationship is when you respect each other
Hmm.
and when you are being friends with each other. Because प्यार में वो प्रेशर जब फील होने लगता है ना, then there is something missing.
Hmm.
वो प्रेशर तभी फील होता है when you feel trapped कि अरे बांध के रखा हुआ है, अरे I can't do this or you can't do this.
Mm.
So I guess the moment you feel freedom,
Yeah.
that is love.
And I feel communicating with each other,
Yeah.
about however you feel, however tough it is, na.
Yeah.
Once you've communicated, it only makes you stronger. There are things that will bother you about that person, but to share that with the person, and that is so tough, but it's so important to do.
You guys say sorry to your partner?
Yeah, yeah,
Frequent.
yeah.
Okay. Who says sorry first? You or you? What about you?
That's what he said.
Yeah, without knowing the issue, I say sorry.
See,
And
that's
then I
not
start the
correct.
conversation.
That's not correct. Why?
And then I start the conversation. It becomes easy.
No, I don't agree with that.
No, it
but
becomes
both
easy.
of us say sorry to each other when required, depending on who's.
When is the longest you've not spoken? चल मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. Like just to show you're upset. So how long can you go without talking to each other?
Abhi it's gone up to 24 hours. I hope इससे ज़्यादा ना हो. But less than, not yet 24
So
hours.
in my
I
case,
I have to just go and even if I shake up and say, you know what, just say something or hear me out. But I have to get it out of my system. I can't
Yeah.
not talk. And if he goes to sleep, then to
પછી done.
Mean से
done.
उठाकर.
Yeah.
सुनो,
Like this.
सुनो,
Keep
सुनो.
poking your
Yeah.
nails.
In our case, it was reverse. Earlier,
हाँ.
any discussion, any
हाँ.
fight, it would go on for 2 days, 3 days,
Hmm.
cold. Now we laugh after 3-4 hours.
Yeah,
Laugh
3-4
at each other and like,
हाँ.
तुम जाओ यार, तुम ऐसे ही हो.
मेरा ने रोना धोना वो सब होता है फिर जाके कहीं शांति मिलती है पर for me to get it out now is very important. I can't not and I can't not react and I can't have him not react. But have you heard people say that you shouldn't go to bed after a fight? You should always
Yeah.
resolve. Do you do that?
हाँ, we try.
Listen,
Yeah.
जब भी बहुत गुस्सा आया होता है ना, ये सब नहीं
Yeah,
याद
yeah,
रहता है.
मुझे वही मैं भी कह रही हूँ मैं I don't follow
But when you
that.
have a kid in the house,
Yeah.
because that's what we teach to our daughter. right?
Yeah.
अब उसे एक बार ये बता दिया, so she keeps it in mind. फिर जब हमारा भी अगर झगड़ा हुआ, तो she'll come and tell us.
Hmm.
ऐसे नहीं सुने. ऐसे अब
अच्छा
Oh. Okay, we'll play a fun game then.
हाँ.
Okay? Never have I ever.
हाँ.
I'm going to ask you some questions. You've got to tell me if you have or not.
Yeah.
Never have I ever been starstruck by a co-star.
No, I almost have actually. जब इनके साथ शूट पे गए तब के oh,
Were you nervous?
well, little bit yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. वो हर एक वक्त होता ही
He's
है.
a good actor, so he acted nervous.
Oh, okay. Who were you starstruck by?
Mr. Bachchan.
Yeah?
The first time he came and spoke to me, we were shooting for a film called Eklavya.
Hmm.
And you know, in Rajasthan, they have these chhatris.
Hmm.
So I was standing on top of one chhatri and he came.
Yeah.
He was standing below. He said, Namaste, Vidya. So I said, Namaste. And he started praising my work in Parinita and I kept standing there. I was taller than him at that point. He was standing down. Finally, someone said, get down. So I was like, okay.
Never have I ever mentally cheated on my partner.
Never, never.
क्या बोला? Sorry, मैंने सुना नहीं. Can you pass this?
He's mentally cheating on me currently, not listening in deep thoughts.
No, I have with Idris Elba.
Never have I ever checked my partner's phone secretly.
No, never.
Really?
Never.
कभी भी नहीं.
I'm very.
शादी
I
से
believe in
पहले?
karma. No.
Never have I ever laughed uncontrollably during a serious scene. I can imagine you doing that.
I've done that so many times.
Ordered food from a restaurant and passed it off as your own cooking.
And no, everyone knows I can't cook.
Accidentally called your partner by the name of your co-star.
नहीं. ऐसा कोई co-star मिला ही नहीं.
Or the other way around, co-star को partner के नाम से बुला
नहीं,
लिया.
वो भी नहीं हुआ. Thankfully. यार ऐसे सब
Oh.
दिमाग में भी मत डालो चीजें.
Okay, had a fan encounter that left a lasting impression, positive or negative?
Best is when they say they're carrying a little child,
हाँ.
not even two,
He's
and
a
they say,
fan.
you know, my son is a big fan of yours. Can we have a picture? And I've started saying, hey, झूठ मत बोलो, हाँ? Because just say you want a picture, I'll give you a picture
Yeah.
happily. Don't lie about a
पर
child.
ऐसे में होता क्या है कि वो छोटा बच्चा 2-3 साल का आपको पकड़ा देता है
Yeah.
तो सर इसके साथ एक तो अब उनके साथ बच्चा पकड़ के मैं खड़ा हूँ
फिर मैं पिंच कर दूंगी
और हम
बच्चे को.
बोल रहे हैं,
This is Moncholika speaking from Bhul Bhulaiya.
No, I'm joking, huh, guys.
बच्चे नहीं देंगे आपको कोई भी अभी से. Now, I've got a few dialogues for you and here for you. Okay, आपको तमिल में, बंगाली में या जो भी लैंग्वेज आप कंफर्टेबल है, other than Hindi, you have to read out that dialogue and he has to guess what dialogue is it. You have to say it in Gujarati.
सीधा गुजराती में ही बोलना है
हाँ, सीधा गुजराती में बोलना है. You have to guess what dialogue is it.
હું તારામાં એટલા કાણા પાડીશ કે
तुम काने हो.
Let him finish.
હું તારામાં એટલા કાણા પાડીશ કે કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ જઈશ ખાવું ક્યાંથી ને પાડું ક્યાંથી
सलमान खान.
Yeah.
इतने छेद करेंगे
ഓക്കെ പഴയ സ്കൂളാ പുതു സ്കൂളാ എല്ലാ സിലബസ്ലയും ഒരു സബ്ജക്ട് കോമനാ இருக்கும் प्रॉफिट एंड அது என்னோட
ओल्ड स्कूल हो या न्यू स्कूल
या दैट्स
सारे स्कूल में एक सब्जेक्ट कॉमन होता है प्रॉफिट और वो मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट
करेक्ट.
Yeah.
हाँ चलचित्र मात्र 3 वस्तुओથી ચાલે
एंटरटेनमेंट
Oh.
मैंने फिल्म में भी नहीं चलचित्र बोला मतलब
Wow. सही है.
పాకెట్ల పైసా ఎల్లైనా
जब जेब में मनी हो तो कुंडली में शनि होने से फर्क नहीं
You
पड़ता
saw it.
नो
नो नो
पॉकेट ले पैसा मतलब पता चल गया पॉकेट में पैसा
Even before you could finish.
या
Well
ஓகே
done.
கிரைம் மாஸ்டர் கோகோ என்னோட பேரு
क्राइम मास्टर को
கண்ணெடுத்து கோட்டி You said गोटा
Now गोटी.
now गोटी
क्राइम मास्टर गोगो आंखें निकाल के गोटियां खेलूंगा
लाला
Lala.
रिस्क इल्लैना इश्क इल्लै
रिस्क है तो इश्क है
Yeah. See, I'm giving it to him simple because I'm giving him English words. Whereas he is saying Chalchitra and all that.
हूँ सिल्क छू सिल्क
Amar naam Silk.
कोई चलचित्र નથી કે મધ્યાંતર પછી બદલાઈ જાઉં
मैं सिल्क हूँ सिल्क कोई फिल्म नहीं कि इंटरवल के बाद बदल जाऊँ.
Oh.
Da.
I love this thing.
कई.
The build up.
Yeah. कई.
वो तब ट्रांसलेशन चल रहा है नेक्स्ट वर्ड
2.5 किलो के लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? मैं भूल गई.
ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ है
बोलने
ये
दो
जब
ना,
पड़ता
बोलने
है
दो.
तो आदमी उठता नहीं उठ जाता है
Correct. See, I think you gave him all the dialogue.
अरे नहीं
Tell me
मैम
the
No,
truth.
I did not.
जस्ट अ गेस वर्क
You just
Just
said this
because
and ढाई.
आगे की गेम में भी मेरे गेसिंग वर्क ने आपको बचा लिया था મારી પાસે ઘર છે ગાડી છે બંગલો છે
ए,
તારી પાસે શું છે
माँ छे.
कूल मैन
Guys, you all have been amazing guests.
Thank
बहुत
you.
मजा आया. अब आपको ये संडे ब्रंच देखकर इतना मजा आया. इमेजिन 2 और 2 प्यार देखकर कितना मजा आएगा.
इतना.
And you have to finish all of this.
ओके
या
Yeah? Okay.
बंद करो ना.
But,
कैमरा बंद कीजिए एक बार वो शादी के वीडियो जैसा हो जाएगा
thank you.